My name is Paolo Colombi and I am the quality manager of Lafer S.p.A. I oversee the quality management system related to ISO 9001 and ISO 13485. And also I follow the development of deep analysis technique for quality inspection and R&D controls. Lafer is specialized in high-performance functional film coatings for a bunch of applications that ranges from automotive industry, cutting tools, molds, aeronautic, automotive, motorsport, and biomedical devices. The main difficulty is to guarantee repeatable surface parameters on very complex geometries. Since we are in several fields of mechanics, we face every day with different parts coming from different markets. So we have to manage to customize our processes in order to get the most powerful performance of our coatings of different mechanical parts. In our coating portfolio, we have a lot of coatings which are multi-layer or hybrid, like our diamond-like carbon. And in particular, this coating is very hard to measure with optical technology. But with the Alicona team, we developed some measurement recipes that are able to give us repeatable and affordable data. We evaluated different suppliers, but we choose Alicona thanks to its customizing department and since they perfectly match our needs. While our other suppliers were proposing only catalog and standard solution, but we need a solution able to measure every component that's come to Lafer. By using full 3D visualization, we can interpret easy surface and geometrical data. And also, by using color renders and 3D images, we can share more effectively data between customers, quality department, and production department. It's hard to calculate how much 3D metrology has helped us to reduce scrap. But we can say for sure that thanks to 3D metrology, we gain a lot of valuable experience and know-how on the process, on the final product, and also on the product performance. So I can say that for the final customer, it's clearly improved the final quality perception.